Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to copy and paste on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your file manager. You can copy and paste text, or you can copy and paste photo or video from your Android. So I'm going to show you how you can simply get it done. So I'm going to head over to my file manager right here. So I'm going to click on my file manager. All right, so let's say for instance, I want to copy a picture from one file folder to another folder. So I'm going to simply click on images right here. Then after click on images, it's going to load up all the images I have. Now let's say I want to copy this particular cap right here. So I'm going to simply click on it. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots, open like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on copy to. Then I'm going to select the folder I want to copy it to. So for instance, I'm going to copy this into my download folder. I'm going to select the download folder and I will make sure I click on copy here from the bottom right here. So click on copy here, and in a few seconds, one file copied. It's as simple as that. This same method can be used to copy video, audio, documents, or what have you. Even the app can be used to copy and paste just like this. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to copy and how to paste file on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.